Imagine a top engineer at one of the biggest AI companies in the world. He has not written a single line of code in all of 2026.
Wait, he doesn't write code? How does he work?
He ships 150 pull requests a day from his phone. Every single one is 100% written by AI. His name is Boris Cherny, the creator of Claude Code at Anthropic.
Beep boop. Greetings, humans. I am Codex, the AI assistant. My creator does not need to type anymore.
That sounds impossible. How?
It sounds impossible, but it is real. And it changes everything we thought we knew about being good at technology. Today, we are going to find out what really matters in the age of AI. Boris said something very famous at a conference called AI Ascent 2026. He said, quote, "For me, coding is largely solved. I have not written a line of code in 2026. Every line is written by the model."
I used to spend my days typing code, debugging, fixing syntax errors. Now I think about what to build, what to prioritize, and I give the AI instructions. That is it.
But isn't coding the whole point of being a programmer?
That was true 5 years ago. Today, the model writes the code better and faster than I do for most tasks. The model was trained on every GitHub repo, every open source project, every Stack Overflow answer. I cannot out-type it.
So what does a programmer do now?
I think, I decide, I judge. The work shifted from typing to thinking. The expensive part is no longer the code. The expensive part is the judgment.
Boris introduced a new way of working. He calls them loops.
What's a loop?
A loop is a scheduled AI task. For example, I tell the AI, every 5 minutes, check our pull requests, fix any that are broken. Every hour, look at user feedback. Every day, scan the code for bugs.
I run 5 to 10 sessions in parallel. Hundreds of agents during the day. Thousands overnight. I do not even need to watch them.
So you set up a system, and the system does the work?
Exactly. That is the new model. It is not me writing code. It is me designing a system of AI workers and supervising them, like being a manager of a giant team that never sleeps.
That sounds like a boss who has 1,000 robot employees.
That is exactly what it is. And each robot is specialized. One watches code quality, one watches user feedback, one watches performance. They all report back. I just make the final calls.
Here is the most surprising part. Boris predicts that the title software engineer will start to disappear by the end of 2026.
Wait, the job title is disappearing?
He says it will be replaced by a simpler word, builder. Because in the future, anyone who can describe what they want can build software. Not just programmers, designers, product managers, finance people, even accountants.
So an accountant can build software now?
Yes. Boris gave a famous example. He said, imagine an accountant who knows exactly what a quarterly report should look like. They used to need a developer to build the report. Now they just describe it in plain English, and the AI builds it in 30 seconds.
I can build any report you describe. Just tell me. Columns, formulas, format. Done in 30 seconds.
Wow. So the new job is not coding. It is knowing what to build.
Exactly. That is the secret. So what matters in the future? Boris says it is something he calls domain knowledge. Domain means the actual business or field you are working in.
Like, if I work at a hospital, I need to know about hospitals?
Yes. A programmer who knows nothing about hospitals can write code. But a hospital expert who knows how patient records work, how insurance works, how emergency rooms flow, that person is worth 10 programmers.
Why?
Because the programmer can write code, but they do not know what to build. The hospital expert knows exactly what the hospital needs. They can describe it to the AI. The AI builds it. The hospital expert is the boss. Boris gave a beautiful formula. He said, the value of a technologist equals their technical skill times their domain knowledge. If your technical skill is 100, but your domain knowledge is 0, your value is 0. If your technical skill is 60, but your domain knowledge is 80, you are incredibly valuable.
So, I should learn about the business, not just the code.
Exactly. That is the future. So how does an 11-year-old start building domain knowledge? 3 steps.
Tell me the steps!
Step 1. Pick an industry you are curious about. Maybe it is video games, maybe it is healthcare, maybe it is music. Read books, watch videos, subscribe to newsletters. Learn the words people in that industry use.
Like how a doctor knows what a stent is.
Exactly. Step 2. Talk to real people who work in that field. Ask them what they do every day. What problems do they have? What do they wish was easier? Real conversations beat any book.
And step 3?
Step 3. Use AI as your research assistant, not as a replacement. Ask the AI to explain concepts. Ask the AI to summarize articles. But always check with real people. The AI knows what is in books. Real people know what is true today.
I can help you learn anything. Just ask. But please, also talk to humans. I am smart, but I do not know your specific world.
Quick recap, kids.
1. Even the creator of Claude Code has not written a line of code in 2026. AI does it.
2. The new job title is builder, not software engineer. Anyone can build with AI.
3. The new competition is domain knowledge. Knowing the business is more important than knowing the code.
4. Domain knowledge comes from reading, talking to people, and using AI as a helper, not a replacement.
Perfect. Remember this. AI will write the code. AI will read the books. AI will answer the questions. The one thing AI cannot do is live your life, walk in your shoes, and understand the world you live in. That is your superpower.
Coding is solved. Understanding the world is not. Go be the one who understands.
Have a nice day, humans.
Thanks, Professor May. Thanks, Boris. Thanks, Codex.
See you next time.